monter,
means to climb or to go up. In this video, we will learn the verb to go up in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I climb.
je monte,
You climb. Informal way.
tu montes,
He climbs. Masculine.
il monte,
She climbs. Feminine.
elle monte,
We climb or one climbs. Informal way.
on monte,
We climb. Formal way.
nous montons,
You climb. Formal way.
vous montez,
They climb. Group of males or mixed people.
il monte,
They climb. Group of only females.
elle monte.
This French verb is a versatile verb that can be applied in various situations, making it useful in describing different types of upward movements, actions, or changes. It can also mean to mount, to assemble, to get on, or even to rise in certain situations. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I climb the stairs.
Je monte les escaliers. Je monte les escaliers.
You get into the car.
Tu montes dans la voiture. Tu montes dans la voiture.
He climbs the hill.
Il monte la colline. Il monte la colline.
She rides a bike.
Elle monte à vélo. Elle monte à vélo.
We climb the hill.
On monte la colline. On monte la colline.
We increase the volume of the music.
Nous montons le volume de la musique. Nous montons le volume de la musique.
You climb onto the roof.
Vous montez sur le toit. Vous montez sur le toit.
They go up the mountain.
Il monte à la montagne. Il monte à la montagne.
They climb the steps.
Elle monte les marches. Elle monte les marches.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I climb.
Je monte.
You climb. Informal way.
Tu montes.
He climbs. Masculine.
Il monte.
She climbs. Feminine.
Elle monte.
We climb or One climbs, informal way.
On monte.
For these 5 subject pronouns, the conjugated verb will always be pronounced same. We climb, formal way.
Nous montons.
You climb, formal way.
Vous montez.
They climb, group of males or mixed people.
Il monte.
They climb, group of only females.
Elle monte.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.